So this is what we're going to be fixing today, this gap here between the shower faucet and the tub. Tools needed to fix it. Alright, all we need to do is just take this and turn it to where we can access the star little screw on the bottom side of it. Okay, once that screw's backed off, all we gotta do is just pull it right off of there. Real simple, just a copper pipe that comes out. Now this was set all the way in to where it's bottomed out in there, and it still had at least a 1/2 inch plus gap between the tub and the faucet. So what we're gonna do is take a copper pipe cutter. We're gonna cut this pipe down about a 1/2 inch and then put the new one on. Try to get it to seat up against here. Pipe cutter. Get it to where about we think about a 1/2 inch would be. Tighten it down. And just start twisting. Once it gets real easy, I just twist a little more. You can feel the resistance, and then you'll feel it there. It just gave way there. And just tighten it down just a little more, and we just cut a 1/2 inch off of there. Put the new one on now. She's almost sitting pretty. All we gotta do now is just push it tight. We got a bottom screw to tighten up. Use that cross tip, tighten it up. Twist it tight till it just won't slide back forward. Once we get that won't slide forward, we just turn it back. Alright, now we can see it's just a little bitty. That hole's gone way down before I could see through the hole in the back. So it's just a little off of there, just perfect. Alright, and once we're just gonna put a bead of caulk around it. So always make sure it's dry. Okay, just take our finger. All right, and that's it. New one's on. Gap is closed. Got a good bead of caulk around it. It's good to go.